parties? Who are the parties to the contract? PESA and
PESA and our local supplier. This is East Asia and CDC.
South Asia. Is that a rest?
No, they are not.
Yeah. Okay. So
East Asia is not.
the issue is whether the export processing zone will now be a qualified supplier also, right? Because or as an aggregator. In effect, Mactan Ecosol is representing the locators in the area, right?
No, it's actually MES is a best operated economic zone. And it's now the companies inside the zone is being supplied by PESA.
Yeah, so just like other economs, that company is a de facto distribution utility in effect, is that?
Yes, the government actually is.
Okay. Now, we have been discussing these issues with the different zones, and initially we said it depends on what kind of zone. Is it a private or a public zone? If it's a public zone, then that means most probably they have an agreement with the existing DU that is in the franchise area for them to become the franchise distributor. Okay? But as I said, under the law, if they become a distributor, then they cannot supply. Before we said they can as a local rest. But if we eliminate the local rest, then that eliminates the authority by the Ecosol to supply to the locators in the area. Okay? That means they either have to apply with the ERC to become a rest. So we said in those areas where they are de facto distribution utilities, depending on their charter, are they allowed to become a supplier? If they are allowed to become a supplier, then they have to apply to become a retail electricity supplier. Now those Ecosols that are privately run, then the locators in that zone, the contestable customers, are still part of the contestable customers of the franchise of the distribution utility that has a franchise in those particular areas. That's basically the difference. If PESA would like to continue its dealing with the locators as a supplier, then it will have, under the new rules, it will have to apply as a retail electricity supplier. Whether they're allowed under the charter or not, they have to look into that. But as a local rest, no more.
Thank you very much, sir. We do hope that all the pressing issues that were presented were